We're gonna get you shining, baby.
I need to pluck your unibrow.
You leave my unibrow out of this. Oh.
Ew! Hey guys, what's up? It's Kylie, and today I have a very requested video. Everyone keeps asking Blaine to do my makeup, so I have all this makeup laid out right here and all of my brushes, and I know he's gonna use them for the wrong things, but I'm doing it for you guys because you want to see this. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off the BB cream that I have on right now with these makeup wipes. They're actually like the best makeup wipes I've ever tried. There we go. Okay, yeah, go buy these.
What the hell is this thing? I thought this was a glue stick. I was gonna glue a piece of paper to your forehead and pick up dual-ended contour foundation. Dark. Ew, your makeup's greasy.
My hair's greasy too.
Shit.
Blaine goes to his friend's house or waits until I'm done doing my makeup to come over before we go out. So he has no idea what the hell goes on with doing all this. But before we get into this, I just wanted to let you guys know I do have eyelash extensions on. So that's why my eyelashes look like this. I have no other makeup on. So he's just not going to do my mascara very much. That's an eyelash.
I was about to say, is this one of your eyelashes?
He can add some extra mascara onto my eyes. I just really hate when people go close to like my eyelashes. Now that I just said that, he probably will do it.
Primer, base. Oh shit.
Wow.
Is this a start? Blur plus redness control. So primer, if it's a base, does it go under foundation?
I can't tell you.
Foundation is a base. Let's see what color this shit is. Oh yeah, that definitely just gotta go under the foundation. Can I use a brush for this? Do you use a brush for this?
I'm not telling you shit.
Brush it is. This is gonna be a very good surprise for you. What is this cream supposed to do? It's a primer for redness. If I touch the redness, it's supposed to go away, right? Oh shit, son. I'm just painting, that's all I'm doing. Okay, I don't see any difference there. It just made your forehead a little pasty. So.
You smell it. Like
some of them smell like chocolate. I like some of them. Shadow palette. Oh, we gonna make them eyes all pretty and shit, son.
They're not pretty already.
Yeah, I'm talking about your eyelids.
My eyelids aren't pretty?
Yeah, you don't use, you know those people that put stuff up here? You don't do that,
but wear makeup?
You're about to.
Oh shit!
Okay, this, over here we got some Your Skin But Better CC Plus Color Correcting Full Coverage Cream plus Anti-Aging Hydrating. Did I put it on that? Okay, well, no, I'm just gonna wait. I'm not gonna ask you any more questions. Boom. Dab, dab. Oh shit, that's a lot. Just give you two little horns. Do a little dab over here, a little dab over there, maybe dab there. You know? Why is this good lasting so long? Take some from over here. Pop. Pop. Eyeballs there. Oh shit, that was close. I gotta make a V. You're angry. You're pissed now. Why is it wet?
Because I had to... Okay, it's just a thing, okay?
Scaring me a little bit here. So we're gonna start with circles here. We're gonna do some circles. We're just buffing out the shit that we don't want to see. That's what we're doing. We're taking the scratches away. We're gonna lift this hoop up because we're back in 05 here.
Hoops are in, okay?
Oh yeah? What, is Beyonce back or something?
Beyonce's always been here.
Oh yeah, I'm liking the results down here. This is actually hard to spread this stuff, eh? Why isn't it not working like it does for you? I'm actually trying to make this look nice.
Ew, you just burped in my face. I hate the smell of burps.
I can't lose my pop right now. You know what I mean? I gotta hop my stuff.
You're like destroying my face. Yeah, that's better. Dab, dab, dab.
Dab, 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 dab.
Putting it in my... I don't put it on my eyebrows. Now I'm not gonna have any.
Why? You got an eyebrow pencil somewhere. I saw it, I swear.
And you trust yourself to draw an eyebrow after you have never done it before?
Hell yes.
I can't even draw an eyebrow.
Well, I'm gonna learn today. Excuse me, miss. There's no getting hydrated because I can't while I'm doing this. You saving out loads of beers. What the fuck is that? I got my spray.
Oh my god. That almost came out my nose.
I'm actually trying to do this nice.
Does it feel nice?
I'm not liking this cover-up job on this. You got two little things up here.
Yeah, it's called, what do you put on that? What do you put on things that you can't cover with foundation?
Conceal it. Conceal that shit, boy. Let mama feed you. Come here.
You look like you're strangling me.
You keep moving.
I'm not moving!
You just moved! Oh yeah, that's sexual. I think I'm supposed to do this later, aren't I?
I don't know. People do their eyebrows before they do their foundation, so there's no right time.
Oh yeah, this is nice.
You're scraping so hard that it's like painful. I feel like I'm getting my eyebrows microbladed again.
This one went a little too far.
Yeah, just lick your fingers.
Oh, don't worry, I will.
Let me just pop that.
Stop it.
I need to pluck your unibrow.
You leave my unibrow out of this. We're finished with that. Now it's another step. Now we just gotta conceal some things that are playing some games. Pop, 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 pop.
Oh, that hurt.
dab there. What do we got? Anything over here? Sure, we'll just start dabbing things. Just freckles and stuff, anything.
Oh, wow.
Is this what you're supposed to do? Is that what they draw lines on their shit with?
Yeah.
Like, boom. Alright, we're gonna give you some cheek definition up in here.
Wow.
Hey, why are you
okay,
moving?
I just need to show.
I'm trying to think. Oh, they always do a lots on the nose. Some on the forehead, but what do they do? Like down, across?
Doesn't matter, you're blending it.
Oh yeah, I guess it doesn't matter. So we'll just do some. We'll get some up there, okay? I'm supposed to do some somewhere here. Maybe like across here?
Uh-huh.
But isn't that what highlighter does?
Is this like considered highlighter kind of?
Boom, we're having a little dot there, we're having a little dot there. We're gonna have a little party down on the chin. We're gonna sharpen this side up a little bit. Boom! Fucking Picasso. I'm just dabbing. They don't even need to see what I'm doing, they just need to know. And we're gonna go along that line. We're gonna keep that color in that cheekbone, baby.
You did it!
Is it actually supposed to go here?
Yeah!
That's what people do, right?
Uh-huh.
They go a little down here like that.
Sure.
Oh shit, I'm getting ballsy. With it. Oh yeah, that just looks so pretty. Give me brow. Do I want to give you some brows? Even though I already worked it a little bit, or maybe work it a little more, sister? Oh shit, I'm giving you some brows, Kylie. Oh shit, I'm making these pretty. Damn. Alright, I'm touching this. And this is the Too Faced circle. That's the bronzer. Bronzer, that's the shit you put on your cheeks, right? You make a little cheekbone line thing. Shit, now I gotta pick my brush. What kind of weapon do I want? Oh, not that one. Maybe I do want that one. That one's thin. I can really work it.
Okay, that's...
I didn't know the powder was that soft. What do I do?
Really?
Really? What am I supposed to do to the cheekbones, right? Like this? Well, I was supposed to do it down here, wasn't I?
No, you can do whatever you want.
Wherever I want to make you look defined?
Yeah.
Alright, now I gotta match the other side. I'm using a lot of this powder. I hope that's okay. We're starting there, and then we're gonna end it right. Oh, we're ending it there now. Oh, never mind. I didn't use that much.
What the fuck?
I don't know what I'm doing. I already told you this.
You're doing really well. It's kind of
I
scary.
need some down here. I don't have enough on here. Do I want to make your nose sharper? I'm committed now. I'm committed to making your nose look fancy. Damn! I don't even know what this is gonna do. Hopefully it doesn't ruin all my hard work. Let me see. Look at me straight. Oh yeah! Stop smiling.
No, I can't.
We're gonna try to keep it down that same little line. I don't know if I like the forehead idea, but that's alright. We'll just give it a little. We're gonna have to blend that back up there, but back to how you can't even notice it. I didn't put enough there to make it noticeable. Maybe we'll just spread it around the forehead and make it look more natural. You know what I mean? Come over here.
Let your leg.
Let mama feed you. Yo, this is getting intense over here. Oh yeah, you wanna know what? This MAC stuff, we're gonna get you shiny, baby. Oh, where do I apply this? Okay, I'm using this MAC stuff. It's shiny. It's called Soft and Gentle. And yeah, down the cheeks again.
No, like I'm actually surprised you're getting it right.
I thought I was wrong.
No, you're doing good. This is actually weird.
Look at me. Oh shit, son! You're shining now. Looks like this. And this part is called Long Lasting Pressed Powder. Stay matte, Kylie. Stay matte. Pa, ta, 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 pa, poop, poop, ha, ha. You fucking rockstar, Kylie. I don't know what the. Oh yeah, I forgot. This is colored Tarte. Maybe it's called Tarte. Let me see. Hey, I do like that. Oh yeah, I'm adding more shine to the shine. You're like a freaking star now. Like Celine Dion in her prime, but way hotter.
Do whatever color you want. What do you think will look pretty? Show them what you're using.
Okay guys, here we have a perfect fitter shadow palette.
Filter.
We got all these pretty colors and stuff in here. And what we're gonna do is make these eyes up here. I'm gonna make them real shiny. I can see the ones you've already used, and I'm not gonna touch any of those.
Oh no!
Oh, shit, sister.
You chose the darkest color, didn't you? I'm gonna kill you.
I
I can hear you like laughing under your breath.
I don't know why I picked that color. I actually kind of like it, I'm not gonna lie. You look like Beyonce in Gold Member when she's got the gold shit on there. Juicy fruit. Oh, I'm just attempting to make this like blend in, kind of. So it doesn't look like it just like ends right here. It like, tones out to your other color, you know what I'm saying?
Wow.
Do I put this on before makeup? Lipstick?
Do whatever you want.
Rinse with water. Close them eyes, sister. Close them. Keep them closed. Keep them closed. Oh, I missed your face. And it's not hitting you because I'm too far away. It's imported from China, but there's no name on it, so this is just a knockoff brand from the flea market.
On the top.
Oh, Becca. That's not fair. This can't be fair. Skin protector. Shit.
Perfector. You can't read.
What do I use to sharpen this shit up now? I want to sharpen it up, Kylie. I didn't do a good job. Oh.
Ew!
I tried to get a little slab on this so I can sharpen up. Go like that. Stay. 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 Gotta have that line popping.
Are you done?
Done. Actually looks kind of nice.
I'll take my hair down for the full effect. I can't really see in this.
Yeah, you gotta go look in the mirror.
Okay,
go, go, go. I did everything good except for that eyeshadow.
This is the final look. I think he did really good except for the fact there's a brown line going down my nose.
Oh, did I forget
You
that?
forgot to blend the bronzer. And also right here, I look like I have like an indent in my forehead. The bronzer line right here.
No, it doesn't look like that really.
Everything else looks pretty good.
Be honest, would you go to in public like that?
No.
Oh, damn. I'm eating some candy now.
So let us know in the comments down below what you guys rate Blaine's job out of 10.
10 out of 10. That's a hard 10.
Okay, we have to sit here and pose.
Why?
I got no rules, I count them.